What did you say? Oh. Really? Really? Bless you. You're trying to roll over. Look at you trying to roll over. You're still trying to roll over. Are you a big girl already? You ready for the potty already? We can do potty training if you're ready.
Jan's little granddaughter, Emerson.
Mm-hmm.
She's still in her pants.